So I wasn't really happy about how this moonflower looked over here in this area. It kind of took over this crepe myrtle like way too much. So actually I'm going through, and can you see those seed pods? There's seed pods all over, and I am removing them. So look how many I've gotten so far. And I want to take this out of here, but I'm picking off these seed pods, and then that way I won't have new ones growing here, but I'll find a better place for them where I don't care that they're kind of taking over everything. Look at that one. Some of these probably dropped already. Where is that? There it is. All right, so I'm just removing these, and then I'll go plant these somewhere else. So here's the handful of seeds that I got, and you can see the seeds inside. So what I'm going to do is take them and just throw them along the fence line over here so that they can grow as much as they want and cover this horse fence. So now that I have a more manageable handful here, I am breaking open these pods, and they might have as many as 3 or 4 seeds in them. This one happened to have 2. And those look nice and healthy. So really what I'm going to do is put this in the ground, actually throw it on the ground near the fence line, and then just poke my finger so that it kind of sinks into the ground just a little bit. I'm down to just these few. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put it in the ground and then push it in just a little bit. And I just go every so many feet and push it under a little bit. There we go. Cover it a little. And I have some jasmine here too. Look at this. So that needs to twine around the fence. That's right there. And then I'll put that in there and cover it up. More over here. There's an acorn right there too. And stick this here. And I have one left. So I'm just going to put it right up against this post. Stick it in the ground. Cover it up. And so hopefully we have nice moonflowers here in the summer.